What is up, ladies and gentlemen? In today's video, we are going to be doing a pack battle with my son,
Zion.
And what we have here is 15 Unified Minds Dollar Tree packs each. This is my side, this will be his side. And as you can see, we have the one team up sitting here in the middle. This is an extra that I had from when I did the team up Dollar Tree opening. So whoever gets the better pulls will get this guy. So that's the prize. So let's get our packs together and open them up. I'm gonna actually cut all the tops off for us so that it's a lot easier. So just stack them up like this, son.
Alright.
Probably shouldn't do that many.
Yeah.
Hopefully I don't cut none of the cards. Ugh. That would suck.
Alright.
So what we're gonna do is just do one each. You can go first. You can just leave them stacked up, son.
Alright.
Just take one from the top. And you want to open them over here. You could open them like this too. Pull them like that and just flip them. That's no code card. This is just advertisement. Sorry guys, no codes in this one. For this trick, it's only 3 cards, so you just put one to the front. Yep, you got it.
Energy.
You're showing the cards.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright, it's alright. Alright, so as you guys seen, there's something amazing in there. So, the best way to do it, son, if you can't, try to hold them like that. And then pull them down. I know your hands are a little smaller, but...
A dark energy.
That is actually a psychic energy.
Oh. A Dynamo.
Dynamo. And a full art, alternate art? What is that, son?
A Slowpoke and Psyduck.
GX.
Tag
Let's
team.
go. I don't even have this card. The texture is really weird on this one.
Look at the, what Pokemon is that?
That is a Shelder.
Yeah.
Biting its tail. Yeah, it's supposed to be on the Slowpoke. That's how it evolves into Slowbro, they say. When the Shelder bites on to the Slowpoke's tail. So look at that. First pull and he pulls a full art banger right off the bat. So it looks like he's going in to win that. He's really putting up a fight. He really wants that team up pack. So advertisement. So one to the front. It doesn't need to be completely, you don't want the shadow blocking it. So Murkrow, Grass Energy, and a Snover. Bear with me guys, my son's a little new to this, so. Oh yeah, my son's turn. Sorry about that, I was just trying to get into him. You could, yeah. Advertisement, trash.
Dedenne, Fletchling, and a
Lickalicky. You could just, to make it easier so you don't have to pull under, just leave them right here. I'll put mine off to this side. Alright, moving on to the Umbreon and Darkrai. One to the front. So we have a Weakness Guard Energy, a Dewpider, and a Reverse Hollow U-Turn board. Not bad. Alright, go ahead, son.
Alright.
Got the Deoxys and Espeon pack art. So we have a Lumineon, a Stunfisk,
And a Gibble.
and a Gibble. Alright.
This Gibble looks weird.
Yeah, it's the knit. It's like a knitting art. I forgot what they call it. But you could pull them like this so that it's easier to take them out and they don't get messed up when you pull them out the top. Muna and a reverse Honedge. Go ahead, son. Got the Mewtwo and Mew pack art there. So you can just throw it to the back and we'll pick it up afterward, okay?
Okay.
Throw it to the back. Blaine's Quiz Show. Saladin. And do you know who that is?
No. I know it, but like...
Say it, Leavani.
Leavani.
Alright, my turn. So we got the Deoxys and Espeon pack art. Don't need that, don't need that. One to the front. So we have a Dragonair, a Saladin, and look at that.
The same one as me.
Yep. Just gotta pull it. There you go. Now you can take them out. You don't have to pull it all the way down, you just take it out. Alright, so we have a Giant Bomb.
An egg.
Execute. And a reverse hollow rare. That's it. Who is that, son?
Hoopa.
Hoopa.
There.
Is it your turn?
No. I'm just getting them ready.
Alright. Deoxys and Espeon again. Don't need that. Alright, so we have a Thundurus, Pikachu, and a Meloetta, which is a rare.
Oh.
Don't need that. One to the front. Azelf, Bidoof, and a holographic Edgeslash. Has some print lines down them. That one's yours. Wait, this hoop is yours too.
Yeah.
Just trying to steal your pull there. I needed it. I ain't got no full art or a GX yet. One to the front. So we have a Blues Tactics, a Scoruppy, and a Heatran GX. Let's go. Doesn't beat that tag team full art though, but still finally pulled the GX.
He's fighting back.
Yes, I am. Gotta put up a fight.
Pokemon Research Lab, a Cubone, and a Yampa.
Yanma.
Yamma.
No P. Alright. Let's get this out of here. Mewtwo and Mew pack art. One to the front. We have a Fire Energy, a Meditite, and a Noibat.
A Heracross, a Yanma, and an Execute.
Alright. Next pack. We have a Yan Mega, so his Yanma just evolved. A Honedge and a Sneasel. Advertisement to the back.
And Fire Energy, Stun Fist,
And an Onyx.
and an Onyx.
What's your favorite pack art here, son? We got the Mewtwo and Mew. We got the
Darkrai.
and Umbreon, Espeon and Deoxys, and there's one more. The Garchomp and Giratina. Which one do you like best?
Probably the Garchomp and Giratina.
Yeah, I like that one too. I like that Darkrai and Umbreon too, though. Let me know down in the comments, guys. What's your favorite pack art out of the Unified Mind sets? So we have a Breloom, a Scraggy, and a Numel. Hey, why are you trying to hit me with the cards, man? Unidentified Fossil, Meditite,
And a Noibat.
And a Noibat. Alright, alright. They should really put like 3 code card packs in here for you guys. That'd be awesome. We got a Vigoroth, an Alolan Grimer, and a reverse Dratini.
One to the front. Misty's Favor.
Nice.
Joystick.
Joltik. And a holographic Victini. It's actually a nice one. Alright, well, let's leave this up, son. Go ahead and open up another one, and then I'll do 2.
Alright. One to the front.
Noctowl. Dratini.
And a holographic Cubone.
Yep, reverse holo. You weren't supposed to get 2 pulls like that, man. Alright, there we go. Alright, onto my Garchomp and Giratina pack card I have here. Sitting on my shoulder. Great Potion, very playable card. Execute and a Murkrow. We do one more. Gotta catch up. Boom, boom. So, son, what do you think about me pulling that shiny Charizard? Barrel, Snover, Dratini. Do you like it or what?
Yeah.
You think it looks pretty awesome?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Very cool, huh? Love the black and red with that. You know, red's my favorite color, so can't go wrong with that. Needed to get that Charizard.
One to the front.
Caracosta.
Murkrow.
And a Snover. Alright. Not very many packs left, guys. See if we can get another GX. I mean, we got our GX pretty quick in the beginning. Water Energy, Snorunt, Drillbur, and that's it. Electrike or electric
Honedge. And a
Magnemite. All right. 2 packs left. Come on, guys. If you haven't already, smash that like button in hopes for some good luck here. I'm pulling some very fire pulls. And a Sewaddle with the reverse Riolu. Nice. That rainbow right there reminds me of the Cosmic Eclipse baby's full pack art. There's a little rainbow in it. So that's what that reminds me of. Can't wait to open more of that Cosmic Eclipse for you guys.
Physical Energy.
Psychic. Tynamo.
And a Poipole.
Poipole. So you got the Poipole for the last pack there.
It's an Ultra Beast.
Yeah, that's right. It's an Ultra Beast. Last pack, guys. Let's get some last pack magic here. So we got a Hapo, a Dwebble, and a Leavanny for the rare. All right. So let's take a look at our pulls here. And that's just a regular rare, but we'll just count the holos and above. So for me, I have the Riolu, the reverse Dratini, the reverse Honedge, reverse U-turn board, and a Heatran GX. So that's the best pull I got.
I got a
Cubone reverse,
Victini,
Victini holo,
a Hoopa,
reverse holo rare, another holographic Edgeslash,
and a Slowpoke and Psyduck GX tag team.
full art by the way. It's very nice. I actually need that for the collection. So let me know down in the comments who you guys think won. For me, personally, I think my son took the whole winnings here. So we'll let him open up this team up pack because that full art, I didn't get a full art. He definitely got a full art. He definitely got a couple hollows there. So here you are. Let me cut the top off of that. There you are.
One to the front.
You got a dark energy
A Joltik.
and a rare Kabutops. Not bad. So you got a rare out of that. Wasn't a holo or a GX, but we'll definitely take it. All right, guys. So that's all we have for today. If you guys liked the video today, if you enjoyed the content, you want to see more like this, please smash that like button and do what?
Subscribe
To the channel. And y'all have a wonderful night. Peace.
Bye.